Hey guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're playing with the clear stamp and die of the month for December 2024. This is a stamp set that I had trouble figuring out exactly how it worked. Just looking at it, it's got this big alphabet die, which is cool, but it's missing a couple of letters. Well, after I took a couple of looks at it, I realized that it also had a second stamp that says I heart you that fits perfectly where the I, O, and U would go on the alphabet stamp, the missing letters. So this is a really interesting and cool stamp set. So I made a few different cards. First, I stamped out the big stamp, and then I stamped and die cut out that little IOU a few times. So anyway, on this first card, I'm just putting the IOU straight down right in the middle there. And then I die cut out, actually, that alphabet stamp. Yeah, I die cut it out. And I'm popping it up on a little panel that I cut out of an embossed panel using the embossing folder of the month. And then I'm just going to layer that all on top because I've got to. I'm using foam like usual because you know what? Foam is life. Absolutely love it. So anyway, I'm going to put my little bitty guy up. I'm also popping it up and I'm just cutting up some small pieces of foam to put behind those small letters. That's one of the things I do love about foam tape is that you can cut it up as small as you need to fit behind your pieces. So I'm going to just put that right back up on top of my main panel, and that card is done. Of course, I couldn't just stop there. I had to make a couple more. So for this one, I cut out that die that goes around the alphabet die out of a piece of pattern paper and then emboss that one using the embossing folder of the month, creating a little window to go around our sentiment, our alphabet sentiment. Anyway, that is going to be recessed back once I layer everything up. I'm using some liquid glue on the foam because I don't want to put it down at the wrong spot, because I want to just kind of get it positioned so it's a kind of a bubble cut around our sentiment. And then I'm just trimming down the panel. This is perfect because I already usually use a little bit of a gap all the way around. Anyway, using some liquid glue to put everything down onto my card, and then I can pop up again that little I heart you in the middle. So once I got the cards assembled, I decided, you know what, I need a little extra. I mean, I know I put foil on them, but let's put some hearts. So I pulled out my Target heart scatter, whatever the word is. The heart scatter that I've had in my stash for at least 2 to 3 years, and I'm still not using all of it. And I just added it as an accent on each of my cards. I made 3 of the cards, and I'm just putting a little heart on the heart from the I Heart You, and on a couple of them I put them in a different spot as well, just kind of to add that little bit of extra. So that is going to finish up this card. I know this was a quick and easy video, but these were some quick and easy cards. So let's take one more quick look at all 3 of the cards. So here's that first one where I put the inlaid, yeah, kind of recessed, that's a better word, the recessed alphabet, and then our raised window with that embossing folder, and of course our popped up I love you. I think this is super cute. This one is the one where I popped everything up and did the panel using the embossing folder of the month. And then this one is basically the same as our foil red one, but done on white cardstock. And I think that just turned out lovely. White cardstock with gold ink. Anyway, I think these cards turned out super pretty. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. If you want to see another video where I'm using some Spellbinders products, be sure to check out this video over here. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.